Hi, I'm Scott King, professional hairstylist and educator. I'm gonna show you how I use the Sutra infrared blowout brush. First and foremost, I'm gonna use the Heat Guard heat protector before I get going. Before I get started, I'm gonna rough dry the hair using the air mode. I love to use Sutra's infrared blowout brush because it holistically improves the health of the hair from roots to ends. The infrared technology dries the hair from the inside out, keeping the hair silky, smooth, and shiny, and most importantly, healthy. I'm gonna start by using the low heat setting because she has finer hair, but if you have curlier, wavier, or coarser hair, I would recommend using the high heat. So I'm gonna section out the interior of the hair because I love to start out by blow drying the exterior of the hairline. The infrared blowout brush delivers gentle wavelengths that stimulate the scalp to encourage new hair growth. All right, here's the finished look thanks to Sutra's healthy heat, infrared, and ionic technology.